Alright, pulled Van's parts out of the washer, looking mucho better. Ready to be reassembled.
Alright guys, a little update on the 62 Bird. It's a beautiful thing, it's a little dusty. Get a wash when it's off the lift there. Last night, Bobby told you guys that we sent all the bracketry in our little ultrasound cleaner, which is super cool over there. So I gave them a quick paint, let them dry. We're gonna get the leaf springs hung in the front. We got the brackets, metal brackets that go over the rubber isolators. Okay, they're in the ultrasound cleaner right now. Same with a couple bolts for that guy, those guys right there, because I forgot to put them in yesterday. So yeah, we're gonna start bolting some of this up here, getting this car back together, back on its own feet. Ooh, dirty tire, gotta clean that. Scotty, sir? I'll clean up on aisle 2. Clean up on aisle 2. Nah, I'll get him to wipe him down. He's really good at that. He's got the good stuff. Hiding. He hides it for himself because he's always trying to clean the Lancia over there. Right. Got you, Scotty. Nah, it's all good. We'll give it a nice little clean up with the tires and everything. Once it's back on the floor, we'll get it a quick wash. We just gotta be careful because the trunk is open. We're waiting on parts for that, I believe. And yeah, guys, so I'll get back to you guys in a few moments, and we should have a lot of this bolted up. Oh yeah, and we got new shocks for the back. Well, we got some for the front, but I'm not at the front yet. We'll get there though. All right, guys, get back to you in a few. Later.
Folks and rednecks. Girls and hookers. Hookers. Sing away, birthday. I love this bar. Or bar?
All right, guys, a quick little update. Got one of the leaf springs up. Got the bracket that's gonna go on the bottom there. But I'll show you these brackets I was talking about. They got painted up for the rear shocks. Came out beautifully. Perfect for what we wanted it for. Yeah, no, the pile of trash back there needs to go. Those are all ready. Go. Got to put the other leaf spring up the front of it, get it started. But we got these brackets to hold the leaf spring isolators. That's what the way they looked before. This is them painted up, so everything's gonna be nice and clean, ready to go. Can't wait. Hey, quiet on the set back there.
Well, I got your fucking quiet
Oh,
here, bitch.
Sorry guys, hold on. He's a little rowdy today. Got the bolts for the shock mount brackets. I'm gonna paint those up, guys. And in a few, we'll have this all bolted up. And sitting down, get some gear oil on that third member there. All right, guys. Check you guys in a little bit.